AAA predicting a record Thanksgiving travel weekend with roughly 80 million Americans hitting the road and the skies. Joining us now with a look at what he's seeing from customers is Priceline CEO Brett Keller. Brett, it's great to have you on. Is that what you're expecting as well, that we're going to see record travel by a record number of Americans over the next couple of days?
That is what we're expecting, and that shouldn't be a surprise. I mean, moving forward, our hope is that every year will produce yet another record as consumers continue to spend and to enjoy their holiday. You know, I think we'll see a lot of people on the road this year. I think of the 80 million predicted to travel, roughly 90% of those will be driving. And so that obviously opens up a lot of opportunity for folks to get out and travel. And even through the airs, I think the flight volume is predicted to be up a couple of points over last year. So still good, healthy travel trends moving through the holidays. When
you say that you expect to continue to see consumers spending more and more every year, is that a reflection of the fact that prices for these services continue to stay more elevated than they were a couple of years ago, or the fact that consumers are just spending more on services, on experiences versus goods, and maybe that's a new normal?
I think a couple of things are happening. One is, just looking back over the last couple of decades, travel typically outpaces the growth of GDP. And so we would expect travel to move at a faster pace. And the question is why? Well, there's a couple of reasons. One is consumers have more, at least historically, available spending power. And so they're really prioritizing travel over other commodities. And so they're using their cash to push towards travel. And two is that there are just more options available. There are more flight routes. There's more inventory, both in terms of traditional hotels and non-traditional accommodations. And so people are traveling more. And finally, with the shift in patterns with work behavior, more people are adding trips to their business trips, which are now again surpassing where we were in 2019 on the business side. And so that just opens up more leisure demand as well.
Imagine that. We're still taking business trips. Brett, how is AI going to affect the travel planning, travel booking process? Is it going to increase frequency? Is it going to increase the number of things that people add on because the conversation is going to make the things that they want to do easier to find? What do you think so far?
Yeah, I think the first thing that we'll start to see in the industry is that there's just more information available to consumers as they're making their decision. They won't have to leave the booking process to go somewhere else and really spend a lot of time shopping and searching for that data. They can find it real time as they're going through the funnel. So that's really, I think, more of a conversion play. People will just get the information faster. Two is it will help them plan better travel and better trips, so that they'll actually find destinations that they're happier with. They'll be able to find options that are more suitable to them, both from a price and a destination perspective. And so things will just get easier. They should get faster. And hopefully consumers will save more money as they use these tools to uncover really great savings. And that's obviously something we're very focused on at Priceline, is to use AI to deliver the best deals to our consumers.
It's going to change the relationship between you and the airlines?
I would certainly hope not. I hope it improves that, if anything, because as we help consumers find the best options for them based on what they're looking for, that will only, I think, drive more demand towards our airline partners.